We've just acquired this Jaguar XF 2.2 diesel luxury. It's the facelift model with the LED running lights. It's got park distance control to the front and rear. It's in lovely condition throughout, absolutely lovely. Boot area's all been looked after. Nice grey leather seats, electric windows, electric mirrors, partial electric seats. Start up, you can see all the vents open up. It's got the satellite navigation. It's got Bluetooth, climate control, cruise control, paddle shift on the gearbox. It's on 100,057 miles. That's 1,000,57 miles. You'll have got storage pieces, AUX, USB. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.